Hello students, today we are going to study about the coordinate geometry. Now this is the distance formula. We have studied in class 9-10. If A and B are 2 points of coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, then length of this segment AB from here to here, this length is given by this formula. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Acha, section formula. See, in class 11, we have two type of section formula. One is called the internal division and one is called the external division. Now, what is internal division? A and B. AB is a line segment. Okay, AB is a line segment of coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. And P is a point that divides it in the ratio m is to n. So, what we will say? That if P divides AB in the ratio m is to n, then coordinates of P will be, this is a known formula, nothing new, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now, if P is the midpoint, then what will be the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay? External division. Now, what is, let us try to understand, because this is something new. What is the meaning of external division? See, A and B are 2 points, and this A and B are 2 points, and we have extended the line AB to a point P. P is a point which is lying on the line BA produced, such that AP by PB means AP by PB is equal to m is to n. Then what we will say? We will say that P divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Okay? The coordinates of P will be what? This is the coordinate of P. mx2 plus nx1, mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Now let's come to centroid. If we are having a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then coordinate of centroid is what? What is the coordinate of centroid? See, this is the formula of coordinate of centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay? And at last, we have one more formula, new formula. See, suppose I have A, B, C. These A, B, C are what? They are the vertices of a triangle. Then area of the triangle will be half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. And from here, we will get this. Now, if this quantity is given in mod sign, why? Because if the value becomes negative, then that will be considered as positive, because you know area of triangle cannot be 0, cannot be negative. Now, if this part is 0, if the quantity in the mod is 0, then it means that the 3 points are collinear. So, if this quantity is coming 0, then it means what? That A, B, C are collinear. Now we will do some sums. First sum. So that the points this are the vertices of a isosceles right angle triangle. So what to do? First of all, we will find, let the first point be A, B, C. Now first, by distance formula, find the length of AB. It is coming root 40. Again you find the length of BC. It is also coming root 40. And then you find the length of CA or AC. It is coming to be root 80. Now, as these two sides are coming same, AB, BC are coming same, it means what? And you can see AB square plus BC square means 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 is equal to AC square. So, this is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So, Pythagoras theorem can be proved here. So, it means that the triangles are what? That this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay? 8-1. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. So, you apply this area formula. Okay? And then half minus 2, 2 minus 3. See, what is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And you apply this formula here and you can solve it and get the answer. Okay? The answer will be 1. Question number 3. See, if A and B, if A dash B dash and A minus A dash B minus B dash are collinear. If these 3 points are collinear, they prove that AB dash is equal to A dash B. So collinear means what? That I told you, the formula I've given you. Area of triangle is 0. Okay, so A1 to this part, this is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. So you put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and you can solve it and you will get the answer. Okay students? So please practice similar sums from your book.